Hi all, welcome back. This video is all about our last weekend, how we spent and what we ate. Hope you like this interesting video. Please do watch and hope you will enjoy. The day started with drinking lemon detox drink. Not every day I used to drink, but some days I used to. It's very beneficial to health when you drink on daily basis. And it planned to make a very simple breakfast, a bread toast with our favorite spread and some fruits. We planned to make a lunch bit heavy, so the breakfast was as simple as possible. For lunch, we planned to go nearby beach, taking the home cooked food and having lunch there, simply to create a picnic mood. For the chicken Manchurian, plan to marinate the chicken first with some chili powder, salt, egg, corn flour and garlic paste and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. The menu plan was fried rice, chicken Manchurian and chicken and vegetable tikka. For the fried rice, adding some oil, little butter and sauteing the onion first and adding some garlic pepper. Here I am adding some broccoli, capsicum and carrot. You can add any vegetables you like. Instead of garlic, I am adding garlic pepper. You can add garlic too. And sauteing this for a while, and I simply add some chicken stock. If you don't like, don't add. This is the key ingredient which I always like, and this makes my fried rice very simple and easy. Into this, just adding rice and some pepper and salt. Salt well and my easy and simple fried rice is ready. Now next step is to frying the chicken for the Manchurian. This chicken will come out really crispy. For the Manchurian, add some butter. When it melts, add the finely chopped garlic. When the raw smell disappears, add the onions and capsicum. Saute for 2-3 minutes and add some mushrooms. Again saute. Now add some salt. And now it's time to add the sauces. Here I have added tomato sauce, soy sauce and sweet chili sauce. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Now it's time for preparing the slurry by adding little corn flour into a glass of water and adding that too. When it boils, when it comes to a soupy consistency, now add the fried chicken into it. And the Manchurian is almost ready. You can add little water if you want a gravy consistency, and if you want a sweet taste, you can add some sugar too. For the final touch, you can add some sesame seeds, very optional, and the Manchurian is ready. Next, plan to make some mixed vegetables tikka and chicken tikka. In a large bowl, mix the yogurt and the spices with salt and pepper. Add the chicken and the vegetables to coat and thread the chicken and the vegetable to skewers. You can barbecue or even grill. Here I am just toasting in the grill pan. This takes around 10 to 15 minutes to grill up, and that is also ready. So the food was almost ready and it was really yummy. Fried rice, chicken Manchurian and chicken and mixed vegetables tikka. So now into the packing process. The beach is just 10 minutes from our home and it's very nearby. The way you spend time out in nature can affect how much your physical, emotional and mental health will benefit from it. If you're getting outside to relax, relieve stress or anxiety, focus your mind or improve your health and well-being. Try out the same thing with your family and friends. Load the basket with your favorite food and enjoy the food with the nature. Home cooked food, when eaten out, is more delicious than eating at home. My daughter was thoroughly enjoying in the beach and with her beach toys too. And after that, little playtime, and finally we are back home. Took some rest and having a cup of coffee. Of course, the dinner is quite simple, just an oats. It's just mixing 3 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, quarter cup of milk and quarter cup of water, and boiling it for just 3 to 5 minutes and switching off the flame, adding a pinch of salt. The thick and very nutritious and satisfying healthy oats is ready. Since we had a heavy lunch, the dinner we plan to make it really simple and it's really tasty too. Everyone will like it. Hope you enjoyed my weekend day in my life video, and do try out my recipes and send me the feedback. If you're watching my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.